Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be showing you how to hide and unhide data in your Excel, how to hide multiple rows a single row, multiple columns in a single column. I hope you find it useful, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is just to select the row you want to hide. Let's say I will want to hide this row. Then I will go and select it by clicking on this section. And then right-click on my mouse and scroll down to Hide Row 10. And as you can see, Excel still shows 9 and 11. So it doesn't delete the row, it just hides it for visualization purposes. To unhide this, you can either just select row 9 and 11 and right-click again on your mouse and go to Unhide Rows. What you can also do is, in the web version, you can just click on these two up and down arrows to unhide. And for the columns, it's just the same way. You just select the column. Right-click on your mouse hide column D. And to unhide it, you can just click here to unhide, or you can double-click between the columns. And this can work on both the rows and columns in the desktop and web versions of Excel. Of course, you can also hide multiple columns just like this. And also, you can unhide them by double-clicking between the two columns, just as the last method I talked about. Thank you for watching.